Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model tour of the Domenica floor plan. This is part of the custom line of homes that you're going to find here at the Peninsula at Treviso Bay. It's a subdivision of 55 custom home sites built by Imperial Homes of Naples. The Domenica here is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home. It's 2 stories. You got the 3-car garage. You've got a nice bonus room upstairs, and you also have a den. Let's walk inside and take a look at this beautiful floor plan. It's going to give you just over 4,100 square foot in this home. So as you come in, you've got the nice foyer area here, and you can see everything opens up really nicely to the outdoors. But let's just start right to the left here. This is where you have the den. Nice little dedicated workspace here. And then just off the den is the dual door entry to your master suite. This is pretty tremendous here. Well, when we come into the master to the right, you've got these huge closets on both sides. There will be some wood shelving eventually here in these closets. That's one there. And then you've got a like kind one here on the other side with a transom window up top to allow for some extra light. And then this walks into your main sleeping area here. You do have a door that leads to the exterior lanai, a nice seating space here. Imperial Homes is really known for lots of window space and lots of light in their homes. So huge master suite here. And then going straight down the hallway past the huge closets, you have the master bathroom here. Definitely impressive. You've got the his and hers vanities. You've got the huge shower with the soaking tub built into the shower as well, dual shower heads. You've got your private commode and also a linen closet right there. Now coming out into the main area, really nice open space here. So your living room, your dining room, and your kitchen are all really nice and open. Got a really nice size pantry right here. You've got access out to your outdoor living space here. You do get natural gas at the Peninsula as well. And this overlooks all your main spaces here. Now, down the hallway here, you're gonna have a half bath. And then also you're gonna have your first guest bedroom here. And this is an ensuite. So you do have a full bath and shower. And a nice walk-in closet as well. Directly across from this is your laundry room with your utility sink, plenty of counter and cabinet space, and of course your washer and dryer. And then right through that door is your 3-car garage. You can see here you've got a nice little entry area right off your garage as well. Across from the half bath, you've got this nice nook here that can be used as a wine cellar type of deal as well. Now going upstairs, we're gonna encounter ourselves right at the loft area. There's another couple of bedrooms upstairs as well. So this opens up nicely into your loft. Here, you do have a wet bar. Nice little gaming room, media area. And right off of this, you have an upstairs lanai that overlooks all your views here at Treviso Bay. That's the TPC course that you see right there in the background. Now coming back inside, again, we've got 2 bedrooms up here. On the left here is your second guest bedroom. You do have an ensuite bath, so it does tie in. Nice full shower there. And then your last bedroom here does have sliders leading out to the upstairs patio area. And then this one, that door right there leads you into the guest bath here. So you have the opportunity to close that off and have a private ensuite bath for this bedroom as well. So last but not least for the Domenica here is the outdoor living space. And we're gonna head right down the stairs again and walk directly outside. You've got these huge sliders here which pocket really nice and open. Tons of under lanai space here. Huge pool area overlooking the views at Treviso Bay. And then your outdoor kitchen. And also you do have a pool bath as well right here off your outdoor kitchen. All right, folks, so if you're interested in one of the Peninsula homes here at Treviso Bay, you can reach us at all of the contact information that you see below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching. See you next time.